Welcome to Yokohama, Japan's vibrant port city full of history, culture, and stunning attractions. In this video, we'll explore the 10 best places to visit in Yokohama, from breathtaking waterfront views to exciting theme parks and historic landmarks. Whether you're a traveler or just curious, this list has something for everyone. Stay till the end to discover a hidden gem you won't want to miss. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides. Now, let's dive into the best places Yokohama has to offer. 1. Yokohama Minato Mirai 21 is a vibrant waterfront district, known for its modern skyline, shopping, and entertainment. It features iconic landmarks like the Landmark Tower, Red Brick Warehouse, Cosmo Clock 21 Ferris Wheel, and Cup Noodles Museum. The area blends futuristic architecture with cultural attractions, including the Yokohama Museum of Art and the Nissan Global Headquarters Gallery. Visitors enjoy scenic harbor views, parks, and a variety of dining options. Easily accessible from Tokyo, Minato Mirai 21 is a popular destination for both tourists and locals, offering a mix of leisure, business, and urban charm. 2. Yokohama Chinatown is Japan's largest and most vibrant Chinatown, located in central Yokohama. Established in the 19th century, it boasts over 600 shops and restaurants, offering authentic Chinese cuisine, including dumplings, steamed buns, and Peking duck. The area is marked by colorful gates, lanterns, and bustling streets filled with cultural charm. Key attractions include Kantibyo, a temple dedicated to Guanyu, shopping streets, and annual events like the Chinese New Year Festival. A major tourist destination, Yokohama Chinatown blends history, culture, and food, making it a lively and must-visit spot near Tokyo. 3. Yokohama Motomachi Shopping Street is a stylish and historic shopping district known for its Western-influenced boutiques, cafes, and upscale atmosphere. Located near Yokohama Chinatown and the Yamate area, it originated in the late 19th century, catering to foreign residents. Today, it offers a mix of high-end fashion, unique local brands, gourmet restaurants, and charming European-style architecture. The street hosts seasonal events like the Motomachi Charming Sale, attracting shoppers from across Japan. With its blend of history, elegance, and modern shopping, Motomachi is a must-visit destination for fashion lovers and cultural explorers in Yokohama. 4. The Yokohama Bay Bridge is a stunning cable-stayed bridge connecting Yokohama's Hanmoku and Daikoku piers. Opened in 1989, it spans 860 meters and stands 175 meters tall, serving as a key part of the Bayshore route of the Shudo Expressway. The bridge offers breathtaking views of Yokohama's skyline, especially when illuminated at night. It plays a vital role in the city's transportation network, supporting both local and international trade. Nearby attractions include the Yokohama Bay Bridge Skywalk, which provides panoramic views of Tokyo Bay. The bridge is an iconic symbol of Yokohama's modern development. 5. Yokohama Landmark Tower is one of Japan's tallest buildings, standing at 296 meters with 70 floors. Located in Minato Mirai 21, it features offices, a luxury hotel, restaurants, and shops. The Sky Garden Observatory on the 69th floor offers breathtaking panoramic views of Yokohama, Tokyo, and Mount Fuji on clear days. Opened in 1993, the tower also houses one of the world's fastest elevators, reaching speeds of 750 meters per minute. As a major landmark of Yokohama's skyline, it combines business, leisure, and stunning architecture, making it a must-visit attraction in the city. 6. The Yokohama Red Brick Warehouse is a historic cultural and commercial complex located along Yokohama's waterfront. Originally built in the early 20th century as customs buildings, The two red brick structures have been transformed into a vibrant shopping, dining, and event space. The warehouses feature unique boutiques, cafes, and restaurants, blending history with modern attractions. They host seasonal events, including Christmas markets and Oktoberfest, attracting visitors year-round. With their picturesque architecture and scenic bay views, the Red Brick Warehouse is a must-visit destination, offering a mix of culture, entertainment, and history in Yokohama. Seven. Yamashita Park is a scenic waterfront park in Yokohama, stretching along Tokyo Bay. Opened in 1930, it was built on reclaimed land after the Great Kanto earthquake. The park features beautiful gardens, walking paths, and iconic landmarks such as the Hikowa Maru, a historic ocean liner, and the Girl with Red Shoes statue. Visitors can enjoy stunning views of Yokohama Bay Bridge and Minato Mirai's skyline. With its relaxing atmosphere, seasonal flowers, and open spaces, Yamashita Park is a favorite spot for locals and tourists to unwind, take a stroll, or enjoy the ocean breeze. Eight. Yokohama Cosmo World is a popular amusement park in Minato Mirai 21, known for its iconic Cosmo Clock 21, one of the world's largest Ferris wheels. The park offers a mix of thrilling rides, family-friendly attractions, and arcade games. With no entrance fee, visitors pay per ride. Highlights include roller coasters, a haunted house, and water rides, making it a great spot for all ages. At night, the illuminated Ferris wheel adds to Yokohama's stunning skyline. Conveniently located near Landmark Tower and the waterfront, Cosmo World is a must-visit for fun and breathtaking city views. 9. Nogiyama Zoo is a free-admission zoo in Yokohama, offering a family-friendly experience with a variety of animals. Opened in 1951, it houses around 100 species, including red pandas, lions, giraffes, and reptiles. The zoo's Nakayoshi Hiroba, Friendship Square, allows visitors to interact with small animals like guinea pigs and mice. Located on a hill in Nogiyama Park, it provides scenic views of Yokohama's skyline. Despite its compact size, Nogiyama Zoo is well-maintained and popular among locals and tourists, making it an excellent budget-friendly attraction for animal lovers and families visiting the city. 10. Nissan Stadium, formerly known as International Stadium Yokohama, is Japan's largest stadium with a seating capacity of around 72,000. Located in Yokohama's Shin-Yokohama district, it is famous for hosting the 2002 FIFA World Cup final, where Brazil defeated Germany. The stadium is a key venue for football matches, rugby games, and concerts. It also hosted the Rugby World Cup 2019 final. The facility includes a museum showcasing its sports history. With world-class infrastructure and easy access from Shin-Yokohama Station, Nissan Stadium remains a major hub for sports and entertainment in Japan.